Jiangsu Dubao Pump Industry Company Limited is a production-oriented enterprise integrating R&AMP, D. Manufacturing and sales. Founded in 2007. The company is located in Suzhou, a water town in the south of the Yangtze River. It is only half an hour away from Shanghai, China and Apo's financial center. It can reach Sin International Airport in 10 minutes. The environment is beautiful and the transportation is very convenient. In the process of innovation and R&AMP, D. We focus on product innovation, quality improvement and process improvement. The company has passed the IS 09001 Management System certification, and all products have passed the EUCE certification. We combine the advanced technology of Japan and Taiwan, focus on the domestic and foreign markets, and invest a lot of money in the introduction of people, mold development, process and equipment renewal, etc. Adhering to the concept of professionalism, quality, service and innovation and quote. The company provides our customers with high-quality professional electroplating filters and acid and alkali-resistant pumps. It is especially suitable for electroplating, circuit board PCB, LED electronics and photovoltaic solar energy, wastewater treatment, medical and chemical industry, environmental protection waste gas treatment, etching cleaning, anodic oxidation, electrophoretic coating and other industries. Products are exported to Southeast Asia, South Asia, the Middle East, South America, Africa, Europe, Taiwan and other regions, and establish stable and long-term cooperation with them, which is highly praised. This JF-2006 chemical liquid filter is suitable for electroplating, chemical metal processing, water treatment and other industries. The filter material is a filter bag design. The chemical liquid is filtered through the filter bag and collected in the filter bag, which is convenient for disassembly and cleaning. The theme and important parts of the filter are made of PP plastic steel material by integrated injection molding and open mold production, so as to achieve the minimum welding points. High precision filtration, high efficiency and simple operation. All models can be customized within standard sizes. For details, our contact information. Email kathy@jsdow.com. WhatsApp +861 5106198365. Website http://www.dubaopump.com. Facebook https://www.facebook.com/dubaopump. YouTube ps://www.youtube.com/channel/UCTY#KWJJ2ZQS8EG0 Twitter https://twitter.com/dubaop. INS https://www.instagram.com/dubaopumps.